Hello students, Vaishali is here and today we learn about exercise 2.1 chapter 2nd and it is a class 7th. Okay, so let's start a question. So first question is a here's a so first we solve a question. First part of this question, how can we solve this? Here's a question number first denominator always be all natural numbers have always be denominator 1, always be denominator 1, all natural numbers, and all natural numbers is a denominator of 1 and multiplication of 1. Okay, so here is a question number first. I explain how to do. So first 2 by 1 and minus 3 by 5. Okay, so first we take a LCM of denominator. Okay, first we take a LCM of denominator because there is a unlike fraction. We convert this first like fraction and then we add and subtract. Okay, without like fraction we cannot be add and subtract. So first condition is always be first we convert given question in a like fraction and then we add and then we subtract. So here is a LCM 1 and 5. LCM is 5. So 5 LCM. What should we multiply if I get the LCM? Denominator is 5. So here I multiply 2 into 5 and numerator also multiply and denominator also multiply. So we get the digit is like this, 5 by 10. And here is a already have a denominator is 3, so this number no need to any multiplication. Okay, so how can we subtract 3 by 5? We subtract 10 minus 3 by 5, so 10 minus 3 is a 7 by 5. Okay, so here is a answer is this part 7 by 5. First we convert in like fractions and then we add and subtract. Okay, let's do a second part as it is like this. Okay, and third part here same this question. It is an unlike fraction because both our denominator is different. So first we take a LCM 5 and 7. LCM is 5 7 is a 35, so LCM here is a 35. So what should I multiply if I get the denominator is 35? So I multiply by 7, numerator and denominator both of multiply, because if I cut this equation, so get the as it is fraction, that's why we multiply both of denominator and numerator. So 5 7 3 is 21 and 5 7 is 35. Next here multiply by 5 and here multiply by 5 because 5 7 is 35, that's why. So plus 10 by 35, so denominator is same, so that's why we add now this 21 plus 10. 21 plus 10 is 31 by 35. Okay, so all question is same. You maybe fourth part as it is. First you take LCM and then convert like fraction and then you subtract. And here is a 3 fractions. How can we add a 3 fractions? So 3 fractions, how can we add? First we take a LCM. First we take a LCM of 3 numbers, and LCM here is a 10 and 10 5 2. LCM is 10. Okay, after After then LCM, we convert in a like fraction both of digits, so and then we add and get the answer easily. Okay, first here we solve a mixed fractions, and then we take a LCM, and then we solve a simply. Let I explain. Okay, here's a 8 by 3, so 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2, 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2, so LCM is 6 LCM. So what should I multiply if I get the denominator 6? So 3 to the 6, so both of denominator and numerator multiply by 2, so 8 to the 16, that's why here is a 16. And what I should multiply if I get that denominator is 6, so I multiply by 3, so I multiply by 3, numerator and denominator both, so that's why here is a 20. 16 and 21 is 37 by denominator as it is. We convert this question is mixed fraction, so what we do, we multiply and remainder always be in a numerator, and denominator is we divide this digit, and quotient is 6. Hope clear this question. Next, as it is, first you convert into unlike fraction, and then you convert in a like fraction, and you solve, you take LCM, and that's it, and then you convert in a mixed fractions. Here is arrange the following is a descending order. How can you convert this a descending order? So first we don't know if the given digit in a like fraction, so we simply say it is a descending order and ascending order, but here is a unlike fraction. So first we convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So first, how can we convert into like fraction? So simplest, first we take a LCM of this digit, and our LCM is 63, so we need what is the multiply by of fractions if we get the denominator is 63. So first 21 3s are 63, and if we multiply by any digit, so in numerator, so we multiply by denominator, because numerator and denominator multiplication, if we cut this number, so we found the given fraction. Okay, so simple, that's I found the first, second and third. Okay, and here is a 14 by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. So whose number is bigger? So bigger number is 42. So first write 42, second 24 and 14. So this is our answer. Okay, second part is as it is, you do this question with yourself. Here is a answer of this question. Okay, so first you take LCM, and the denominator is convert equals to LCM, and our LCM is 70. So first we convert like fractions this question, and then we solve very easily. Okay, next is a magic square. So first you add all column and add columns and rows, and answer is equal. If you add column, so if you add rows, so answer is same. So how this answer is same? We do this question. First row add second row, third row, and first row, second row, third row, and second column, third column, first column, and then we add our diagonals, and all is same. 15 by 11, 15 by 11, 15 by 11, because you see this is a like fractions form, and like fractions we don't need take to LCM and other, we that's it, given digit we add that as it is. And question number is for a rectangle sheet of a paper long, find its parameter. So what is the parameter of rectangle? Parameter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, 2 into length plus breadth. Length here is a 12 by 12. Length equals to 12 holes 1 by 2, and breadth, this is a breadth. So first, this is a mixed fraction. First we convert is a simplest fraction. So how can we convert this as a simplest fraction? So multiply by this number and add 12 to the 24 plus 1 is a 25 by 2. I put here value, and second is a 10 3 is a 30 and plus 2 it's a 32 by 3. And then we take a LCM, because here is a fraction is a unlike fraction. Okay, so unlike fractions, how can we add unlike fraction? First we take a LCM. Okay, so now I take a LCM. So LCM is a 2 and 3, LCM is a 6. So what I multiply by in denominator and numerator, if I get the LCM is 6, so I multiply by 3, 25 multiply by 3, and denominator 2 multiply by 3. Okay, so I write this simply 2 into what is our length, 25 by 2 and plus 32 by 3. So I multiply by here 3, I multiply by here 3, I multiply by here 2, and I multiply by here 2, because we same denominators both sides, that's why I multiply by here 3 and I multiply by here 2. Okay, so 2 into 25 3 is 75 upon 6 plus 32 is 64 and 6. Now this question convert in a like fraction. So in this condition, how can we do? We add numerator. Here is the numerator is 9 and 7 and 6 is 13 by 6. So 2 3 is a 6. It is a cut by this digit. So we first solve, and then now what we get the answer? Now remain 139 by 3, but it is a not answer. And then we convert this question is a mixed fraction form. Okay, how do you convert mixed fraction form? 139 divided by 3. Okay, like this. So 3 4s are 12, and there is a remainder 1, and 3 6 okay 9. So we 9 3 8 18. So 18. Here is a I have no space. So this is question simply. Maybe you understand how to do. Okay, you this question do. Okay, complete. Here is a like this form. I explain you 12 18, so 46 and 1 by 3. It is the right answer of this questions. Okay, Next is a parameter ABC triangle and the rectangle whose parameter is greater. So here is a rectangle and a triangle. So first I found a parameter of rectangle and then I found a parameter of triangle. Okay, so sorry, first I found a triangle. So 5 by 2 plus 2 wholes 3 by 4 and 3 wholes 3 by 5, like this. And first I convert in a simplest fraction and is a unlike fraction, unlike fraction, unlike fraction. So we take a LCM and then we add and take. This is the answer of this question. And second is a 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so what is the length of parameter? It is the length of parameter of rectangle. Okay, so B, C, D, E we add and length I have length 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Okay, and then we add other number, take a LCM and we solve this question very easy way. Okay, I'll explain you. Maybe first convert in a simplest fraction and take a LCM, because this is unlike fraction, that's why we take a LCM, and LCM is 12. What should we multiply by denominator and numerator? If I get the denominator is 4, so that's it. I do this question like this. It is a very easy. Okay, today we stop here. Next question we do in a next class. Okay, bye bye.